Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is August 28th, 2019. This is my 14th episode about C# programming for desktop application using Windows Presentation Foundation. In our previous episode, episode 11, we learned about DockPanel, dependency object, and dependency properties. If you haven't watched this video, please double-click this link and watch this video. In this episode, we will use dependency object and dependency properties. In this episode, we will learn how to use grid panel in Windows Presentation Foundation. Also, if you want to learn more about grid panel, please refer to this book, Application equals Code plus Markup by Charles Petzold at Chapter 6, The Dock and the Grid. At page 111, you can refer to Grid Panel. Without further ado, let's get started. Start Visual Studio 2019. Go to File, New, Project, Language, C#, Platform, Windows, Project Type, Desktop. Scroll down, then you can find Empty Project .NET Framework. Click Next. Project name will be Grid Panel. Solution name will be Grid Panel Solution. Click Create. Right-click References, Add References, Microsoft C#, Presentation Core, Presentation Framework. Scroll down. System, scroll down, System Windows, scroll down, Windows Base, click OK. Right-click Grid Panel, add new item, select code file, Grid Panel, click Add, namespace, Talk Play Fun. End of namespace Talk Play Fun. Using Windows System Windows. Using Controls System Windows Controls. Using Media System Windows Media. Class My Window Windows Window. End of class My Window. Public My Window. This is constructor, system, STA, thread, static, void, main, var app, new, Windows, application, app, run, new, My Window. We created a function main. This title Grid Panel. Now we create Grid Panel for Grid Panel. New Controls Grid. This Content Grid Panel. Constant int row count will be 4. Constant int column count 4. 4 int row 0 row count plus row 4 int column 0 column count plus plus column. Sorry. Here for int row 0 row count plus plus row. Bar row definition new controls row definition. We created row definition height windows grid length auto grid panel row definitions add row definition for int column 0 column count plus plus column bar column definition new control column definition with windows grid length auto grid panel column definitions add column definition void add list to cell int column int row string label text bar grid panel this contains as controls grid bar label new control label. We created a label contains label text label horizontal contents alignment windows horizontal alignment center label vertical contents alignment windows vertical alignment center grid panel children add label controls grid set row label row controls grid set column label column. Now we call this function, I say add label to cell, copy and paste it here. The first argument is column, second is row, then string format cell 0 by 1. The first is column, the second is row. Control F5. So this is our application. I will close it. In the constructor, grid panel, show grid line, true. and this resize mode, window resize mode, no resize. We will disable resize, and here protected, override, void on activated. Bar, grid panel, this contains as control grid. If grid panel equals null, return bar height grid panel actual height grid panel low definition count bar width grid panel actual width grid panel column definitions count for each controls low definition RD in grid panel low definitions RD height new windows grid length height windows grid unit type pixel for each controls column definition CD in grid panel column definitions CD width new windows grid length width windows grid unit type pixel. Now Ctrl F5. So this is our grid. Close it. In the constructor here grid panel margin new windows thickness 8 this background media brushes aquamarine. Now Ctrl F5. Here grid panel background color windows system color window brush, and I will change it to dark gray. Ctrl F5. So this is our program. This is grid panel with 4 by 4 elements. I will upload complete source code to my website CSharp.talkplayfun.com. By the time you watch this video, click this link to download complete source code. If you unzip the downloaded file, you can find complete source code in this folder. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.